on Python, creating the scatter plot which captures the relationship between the variables is so easy. Again, you will need to import seaborn and Matplotlib libraries. Once you have imported these two libraries, you are going to write a piece of code which is going to create for you on the y-axis the dependent variable, and on the x-axis all the independent variables that you're picking for the visualization. So you're writing the name of the function is going to be Pairplot. So you are basically writing the name of the function. You're not indicating what is the data set. It's auto data. You're indicating the exogenous variables, independent variables that we want to have on the x-axis. On the x-axis, we are just copying and pasting all the variables. Then we are writing the name of our dependent variable, y_vars, and in our case it's mpg. We are ready to go. We are running the code and waiting for the code to execute. We have spelling problem here. Here's the result of the code. So you have on the left hand, on the y-axis, you have mpg, and all the way around you're seeing all the exogenous variables on the x-axis. As you see, the relationship is not linear. The relationship is more exponential, or even better, logarithmic. So we are gonna try the logarithmic in the future, but it's not the case right now. We are not studying in this video. We are not studying what is the relationship. We are just visualizing and thinking what kind of a function could capture these values, these data values, the most accurate possible.